How the sensors improve the performance of your Mercedes. Mercedes consists of many parts that are crucial for its performance. The sensors in your Mercedes play a pivotal role in its performance. Your Mercedes is equipped with many sensors used for monitoring certain activities. Here are the sensors that improve the performance of your car. Map sensor. Map sensor keeps a tab on the intake volume of your Mercedes. It is a part of the ignition system and relays data from the intake manifold to the ECU. The ECU adjusts the ignition spark level and ensures fuel burns effectively. When the sensor malfunctions, you will notice a dip in the performance of Mercedes. Throttle position sensor. It reports the position of the gas pedal to the electronic control unit. The ECU then adjusts the position of the throttle plate. This helps in determining the amount of airflow and fuel flow to the engine. It also plays a key role in the changing of gears in your Mercedes. Mass airflow sensor. Mass airflow sensor is used to monitor the amount of air entering the engine. The ECU also reads the amount of air entering the engine through the MAF sensor. This helps in the proper addition of fuel for efficient combustion. If the sensor malfunctions, then it will affect the performance of your Mercedes. It is imperative to keep an eye on the functioning of the various sensors. If any of them malfunctions, then take your Mercedes to a repair shop to fix the issues. Visit us.